This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to use your Roblox support ticket. Whether you need help with account issues, game bugs, or payment problems, submitting a support ticket is an effective way to get assistance from Roblox customer service. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process to ensure you receive the help you need. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser that's available on your laptop or desktop. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type roblox.com. While we're in the Roblox website, log into your account so that we can proceed. As you can see, mine is already open and logged in to the Roblox website. While we're in the Roblox website, click the settings icon, which is located at the top right of the website screen. The menu appears. Just click the Help and Safety option so that we can proceed. While we're in the Help and Safety tab, click the Help Center tab so that we can proceed. As you can see, we are in the Help Center tab. While we're in the Help Center tab, click the Roblox account option. While we're in the Roblox account option, click the I forgot my password option so that we can proceed. While we're in the I forgot my password tab, scroll down until you find the Still Having Trouble section. After you locate the Still Having Trouble section, click on the Customer Support button so that we can proceed. As you can see, this is where you can contact Roblox support. Submitting a support ticket to Roblox is a straightforward process that can help resolve various issues you might encounter. By following these steps carefully and providing detailed information, you can improve your chances of receiving timely assistance. If you continue to experience problems or have questions, consider checking the Roblox community forums or the frequently asked questions for additional support.